Right, I'm off out today to get some grand vistas of the Ullswater area. Why not come with me and see what we can find? Well, good afternoon, and once again we're out in the Lake District, not that far from home. So where are we and what's the plan for this afternoon? Right, well, we've parked at Dockeray, which is a small village not far from Ullswater, and literally I'm looking at the village hamlet, having just walked up the path from it, and it's behind the camera there. But where we're going to go is going to go up Gowbarrow, which is the fell behind me. So that's where we're going to go. And I'm hoping that up there we'll be able to get some grand vistas of Ullswater, etc. So, that's the plan for today. We haven't got off to a very good start. When I put my GPS on so I could track where we've been, I found that the batteries are totally goosed. And obviously I didn't charge them up since I last used it, which is an error on my part. And then the other thing, the microphone that I'm using with the R8, I'd been using with the computer for a live stream that I was doing. And I did think must put them back in the bag, and I haven't put them in the bag. So yeah, we're sort of having to make do a bit. So what I'm doing is recording on the R8, and hopefully the videos are okay, and hopefully it'll pick up some sound. I'm not quite sure how good it will be, but I've got the Pocket 2 here, which is recording and recording through the wireless mic there. So what we can do on the computer is, if the sound isn't very good from the R8, we can pinch the sound from the Pocket 2. So yeah, anyway, we won't rabbit on anymore. We'll get on and we'll head on up Gowbarrow, and we'll catch up with you a little bit later. Right, well you'll see we've made it to the top and there is the trig point, but unfortunately the weather has closed right in. I mean, if I pan round to show you, we'll just loosen the thing. It's just, as you can see, it's just thick mist in all directions. So my plan of getting some nice grand vistas of Ullswater are now non-existent. So I mean, if we look around there, you can see, or maybe not see, that's the path we've come up. You probably can't see it, I'm pointed in the right direction. And we come back round, and there we have, as we come back round, the trig point again. So yeah, I mean, it's been a good walk, but unfortunately for photography it's going to be a no-no today. I have taken some handheld images with the R8 on the way up. Maybe we'll see what we get as we go back down once we drop below the cloud level. I think initially I'm just going to put the R8 into the bag, because it is raining at the moment and I know it's weather sealed, but prefer to put it in the bag. So yeah, it's a bit of a disappointment here. Yeah, I don't know what else to say, but yeah, we're going to head back down and then head home. We'll probably put the video up just to show photography doesn't always work. Can't always get brilliant images. I mean, I think I've got a couple of goodish ones on the way up, but yeah, nothing else so far. So yeah, we'll pack up and we'll head back down and we'll catch up with you a little bit later. Right, well, there's been a bit of a change. I was just having a little bite to eat before I was going to head down, and look, it's cleared. Well, it's not brilliantly clear, but I can see the lake. It's yeah, it's really fascinating. It's yeah, as we come round here, as you saw before, we just couldn't see a thing, and now, I mean, it's not brilliantly clear, but certainly we can see more than we could before. And yeah, so I've taken a couple of handheld images. They're not brilliant, because as we say, the weather's not brilliant. So yeah, and it's not the best of views of Ullswater from here. I'm led to believe if we go off sort of round that, go that way, we'll get a lot better views. I might just go across to the next sort of hillock or whatever across there and see what we can see. But yeah, at least we've got something. But yeah, I was anticipating it was going to be absolutely nothing. But yeah, all of a sudden we look round. Well, it didn't all of a sudden clear. There was a brief interval where I saw the lake and then it clouded over again, and then all of a sudden it's cleared like this. So yeah, as I say, it's not brilliant, but it's better than nothing. So yeah, we'll stop there. We'll maybe just have a little bit of a wander around and we'll catch up with you a little bit later. Right, as you can see, we've come over a bit. It's still not brilliant, but there is a very good view here to be had in the right weather of Ullswater there. I've got the camera on quite a wide angle setting. It's at 16mm, So, but you can see round here is Dockeray where we're parked. So that's where we're parked. That's Ullswater there. And yeah, when I first got hit to this spot, it was quite a bit clearer. It's slowly starting to close down again. So yeah, I got the images, captured some images first because I wanted to get the best of the light, and now we're doing the video here. So yeah, I mean, you can see where we've got the camera. We've got the camera over there looking to Ullswater, and what we're going to do from here is go back up to the top because there's an obvious path down this way. I don't know whether you can see the wall. There's a wall right over that way where the footpath is, but we're not far from the actual top. We just need to go back up there onto the footpath, and then we're going to head back down. So it's not been a complete disaster. Yeah, I mean, there's thoughts from going through my head of what I'm going to entitle this video. Possibly Grand Vistas of Ullswater. Were we beaten by the weather or something like that? So I don't know. We'll see. The weather's certainly not brilliant. We haven't got brilliant images, I don't think. But then I don't think we've been totally beaten by the weather. But yeah, we'll stop this here. We'll pack up, we'll show you the images that we've got, and then we're going to head back down to the car. So yeah, whatever happens, we'll catch up with you a little bit later. Right, well, we're back at the car now. We're actually driving home, so hopefully the audio on this dash cam will be sufficient. It's been an interesting afternoon. It's certainly good to get out. The last 2 times I've been out, I haven't really walked very far. Been Wasdale, Westwater, where I parked and probably did less than a mile, and the same at when I went to Newland Halls to photograph Moss Force. So it was good to get out and do a bit of a walk, etc. Unfortunately, the weather was against us, but it didn't stop us getting some pictures. How good those pictures are, I don't know. We'll see when we get home and get them processed. You will have seen them by now, so you'll know how good they were, whether the weather did beat us or didn't. So yeah, but as I say, it's good to get out and good to be in the Lake District. Although, as I keep mentioning, it'd be nice to get somewhere else. I am thinking of heading up to Scotland once I can get the roof tent sorted. Hopefully within the next week that will be sorted and up on the car, and then we can contemplate doing that. So yeah, one thing to say is, if you haven't already done so, and if you did enjoy the video, please click the thumbs up. It does great things for the channel, just help the channel get seen. And if you like what I'm doing and you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing. Again, it helps the channel to be pushed around and get seen more by other people. If you think it's worthy of that, why not subscribe? But the thing I really do appreciate is all comments. Yeah, so whether they're good, bad or indifferent. I really do appreciate all comments. So yeah, and I do read all comments, and I do reply or respond to all comments. It could be just a thank you, or it could be answering a question or whatever. So yeah, so that's that. And what's next? Well, today is Sunday, so we'll get this up for Wednesday, and this next week I've got a funeral tomorrow, so I'm not quite sure how much I'll get done on the house, but then the rest of the week I need to spend time on doing various jobs around the house while my wife's away. So hopefully we'll get all those done, and that will sort the house out to a certain extent, and then yeah, we can get away. So what the plan is, hopefully, is to get away, get up early, which we're not doing very well at the moment, on Saturday, get out and get some sort of, go somewhere localish and get a video up, and then up for Sunday. So that's the plan. And then hopefully the following week we can think about maybe early on in the week just going out to get a video for the Sunday, and then perhaps for the Wednesday, and then perhaps later on in the week, if we've got the roof tent sorted, having a few days away and getting some more videos done. So yeah, so that's the plan going forward. And you can't obviously see much because it's dark out there. I don't know how good this dash cam is when it's dark. So we'll stop there, and we'll say we'll see you on the next video.